Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about talking about hobbies today.
That is a great idea, Zoe. Hobbies are fun. They help us relax. They help us learn new things.
Yes, hobbies make life interesting. They give us joy. They help us meet people, too.
So today we will talk slowly. We will use simple words. We will share stories. We will ask questions and we will laugh a little. Ready?
Ready. Let us start easy. What is a hobby?
A hobby is something you do for fun. You do it in free time. You do not do it for money. You do it because you like it. For example, reading, running, cooking, painting. These are hobbies.
Right. Hobbies can be quiet or active. They can be alone or with friends. They can be small or big. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you enjoy it.
I remember when I was a child, I loved drawing cars. I drew many cars on paper. My father gave me colored pencils. I was happy. That drawing hobby helped me later. I like design now.
That's sweet. I had a different hobby. I loved listening to music. I used to sit under a tree and listen for hours. Sometimes I would try to sing. I was not a good singer then, but I loved it. That hobby made me confident to sing in school later.
See, hobbies can change your life. They can give you courage. They can give you skills. They can give memories.
And good memories. I still remember my first painting. I painted a small blue house. It was not perfect, but I felt proud.
Let's talk about some common hobbies. We will name them and give a sentence about each. This is good for learners. Ready?
Yes, go ahead.
Reading. You read books or articles. It helps your English and your mind.
Writing. You write stories, poems, or a diary. It helps you think and speak better.
Drawing and painting. You make pictures. You use pencils, pens, or paint. It helps your creativity.
Cooking. You make food. You can try new recipes. It's fun and tasty.
Gardening. You grow plants. You water them and watch them grow. It is calm and healing.
Running and walking. You move your body. It makes you strong and happy.
Playing an instrument. You play guitar, piano, or drums. Music can make you feel many emotions.
Photography. You take pictures. You capture moments. Later, you can look at them and smile.
Crafting. You make things by hand. For example, knitting, making jewelry, or building models. This is a hobby for patient people.
And collecting. Some people collect stamps, coins, or postcards. Collecting is like keeping little pieces of history.
Good list. Now let's talk about why hobbies are important. I will say one reason, then you say one, okay?
Okay.
Hobbies reduce stress. When I play guitar, I forget worries.
Hobbies make you happy. When I paint, I smile.
Hobbies help you learn new skills. When I cook, I learn measurements and patience.
Hobbies build confidence. When I finish a painting, I feel proud.
Hobbies connect you with others. I joined a small band and made 2 friends.
Hobbies give structure to free time. On weekends, I plan painting time, and it feels good.
Now let's share more personal hobby stories. Zoe, tell me about one hobby that surprised you.
A few years ago, I tried gardening. I thought I would kill all plants. I do not have a green thumb, I thought. But then I planted a small herb garden on my balcony, basil, mint, and a little tomato plant. I watered them and talked to them. They grew. I was surprised and very happy. I learned patience. I learned to check the soil and sun. I never expected to love it so much.
I love that story. It shows that trying something new is good. My surprising hobby is cooking spicy food. I grew up eating mild food. One day, a friend invited me to a chili cooking class. I was nervous. I tried new spices. Now I cook spicy dishes for my friends. They ask for my recipes. I never thought I would like spices so much.
Nice. Cooking is such a good hobby. It's creative and useful. You can share food with family. You can try recipes from other countries. That helps you learn about other cultures, too.
True. Now let's do a small practice for learners. We will show simple phrases you can use to talk about hobbies. Say the question and then the answer. I will ask, you answer, then we can switch, okay?
Okay.
I will ask, what is your hobby?
My hobby is painting. You can repeat slowly. My hobby is painting.
How long have you had this hobby?
I've had it for 5 years. I've had it for 5 years.
Why do you like this hobby?
I like it because it relaxes me. I like it because it relaxes me. Now my turn. Zach, what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing the guitar. My hobby is playing the guitar.
How often do you do it?
I play every day for 30 minutes. I play every day for 30 minutes.
Where do you do your hobby?
I play in the living room near the window. I play in the living room near the window.
Great! This small practice is easy. You can try it with a friend. Ask and answer. Use simple sentences.
Now let's give some tips for beginners. If you want to start a hobby, where do you begin? I will give 5 short tips. Zoe can add more after. Ready?
Ready.
Tip 1. Start small. You don't need many tools. For example, start with 1 pencil for drawing.
Tip 2. Be kind to yourself. You don't need to be perfect. Practice and enjoy.
Tip 3. Make a small plan. Try your hobby twice a week for 20 minutes. Small steps are good.
Tip 4. Learn from videos or books. There are many simple lessons online.
Tip 5. Find a friend or a group. A hobby is more fun with other people.
I'll add 3 more tips. Tip 6. Keep a notebook. Write what you did and what you liked. Tip 7. Try different styles. If you paint, try watercolor, then try acrylic. You'll learn what you like. Tip 8. Celebrate small wins. Finished a small drawing? Celebrate.
Very good. Now let's talk about making time for hobbies. Many learners say, I'm busy. I will give a short story. I used to work long hours. I felt tired. I thought I had no time for hobbies. Then I started waking up 20 minutes earlier. I played guitar for those 20 minutes. It helped my mood all day. You don't need a big time. Small time can change your day.
I do something similar. After dinner, I walk for 15 minutes. On those walks, I listen to music and think of painting ideas. This short time gives me energy. It's like a small gift every day.
Yes, and if you're a student, you can use study breaks for hobbies. Study for 40 minutes, then do 5 minutes of drawing. It refreshes your mind.
Let's talk about social hobbies. Some hobbies are great to do with others, like team sports, dancing, or a book club. I joined a small book club last year. We meet once a month. We talk about a short book or a story. It was great to hear different ideas. I made new friends too.
I joined a music jam group. We meet at a small cafe on Sundays. I play guitar, others play piano or sing. We keep it casual. Sometimes we perform a small song for the cafe. It's fun and a little scary, but it was a good way to practice in front of others.
A little scary is okay. It means you're growing. Hobbies often push us gently. They help us try new things.
Now, learners, sometimes hobbies can feel difficult. Maybe you start and then stop. This is normal. Zoe, tell us about a time you stopped a hobby.
Yes, I stopped yoga for 3 months. I had a busy job, I felt tired, and said I had no time. Later, I missed it. I missed the calm. I started again slowly. I did 5 minutes a day, then 10. After a month, I felt better. The lesson is it's okay to pause. You can come back slowly.
Thank you. I paused running for a while because of a small knee pain. I rested and then did gentle walking. When I felt stronger, I ran again. The key is to listen to your body and not to be too hard on yourself.
Now let's give some easy hobby ideas for different budgets. Some hobbies are cheap, some are expensive. You can choose what fits you.
Cheap or free hobbies. Walking from the library, reading from the library, writing a diary, drawing with a pencil, watching free lessons online.
Low-cost hobbies, cooking simple recipes, buying a cheap sketchbook, planting herbs, basic knitting tools.
Higher cost hobbies. Learning an instrument with lessons, doing photography with a good camera, traveling to learn a new dance. But remember, you can start these hobbies small and simple.
Good point. For example, you can start photography with your phone. Many phones take good pictures now. You can learn composition and light. Later, if you want, you can buy a camera.
Let's do a small role play for learners. I will pretend to meet someone new. I will ask about hobby. Zoe, you answer, then we will switch. Use simple lines, okay?
Okay.
Hi, my name is Zach. What is your name?
Hi, Zach. I'm Zoe.
Nice to meet you, Zoe. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I like painting. I paint small pictures on paper.
Oh, that's nice. How long have you painted?
For 3 years. I started with a small class. Now I paint on weekends.
That's great. I like music. I play the guitar. Maybe we can do a hobby day together. You can paint and I can play some songs.
That sounds fun. I would love that.
Now switch. Zoe, you ask me.
Hi, Zach. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I play the guitar. I like making simple songs.
How often do you practice?
I practice every morning for half an hour. It helps me wake up and feel happy.
Do you play with others?
Sometimes I play in a small group at a cafe once a month. I also play alone.
Nice. Thank you, Zach.
Role play is a good way to practice questions and answers about hobbies. You can try it with a friend.
Now we want to share one important part. After we talk about the main topic, we ask a favor from our listeners. Zach, you say it first.
Sure. If you like this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please subscribe and like. It takes one click and it helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Back to the topic. Let's give some quick hobby activities today. These are simple. You can try one now. Ready?
Yes.
Activity 1. Take a 10-minute walk and collect 3 interesting things. A leaf, a small stone, a feather. Bring them home and draw one of them.
Activity 2. Cook one simple snack. For example, toast with a little jam and banana. Try to change one thing. Add cinnamon or peanut butter. Taste and see what you like.
Activity 3. Write 5 sentences about your day. This is a small writing hobby. Write slowly and with simple words.
Activity 4. Try a 5-minute drawing. Draw your cup or your phone. It does not need to be perfect. Just try lines and shapes.
Activity 5. Listen to a short song in English. Try to sing one line. It is okay if you make mistakes. Singing helps your speaking and listening.
These small activities are easy and good for learners. You can choose one and do it today. After you do it, you can tell a friend or write about it. Sharing makes the hobby feel real.
Now, let us talk about one tricky thing: feeling guilty about hobbies. Some people think hobbies are a waste of time. They think they should always work. Zoe, what do you say?
I think hobbies are not a waste of time. Hobbies help your health and mind. When you rest with a hobby, you can work better later. Think of hobby time as recharging. A phone without charge does not work well. You need to charge too.
I like that phone idea. Hobbies are charging time for our brain. Do not feel guilty. It is healthy.
Another tricky thing is comparing yourself to others. On social media, we see perfect photos and skill. It can make us sad. But remember, everyone starts somewhere. The person who now is good at painting once made simple drawings too. Do not compare your start to someone else's middle.
Very wise. Good advice for learners. Keep trying, small steps. Be kind.
Okay, we are near the end. Let us give 3 simple sentences to remember about hobbies. 1 line each. Zach, you start.
Try new things, even small ones.
Be patient. Practice a little every day.
Enjoy the process, not just the result.
And a final reflection. Hobbies are small lights in our life. They make dark days brighter. They make good days sweeter. They make us more like ourselves.
Thank you, everyone, for listening. We hope this talk helps you find a hobby or return to one you loved. Remember, it is never too late to start.
Yes, and one last time, if you liked this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English and share this episode with your friends. Thank you so much.
Bye, everyone. Try one hobby this week. Start small. Have fun. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Take care and keep learning English with us.